You go on the website and you pick the font that you want, and you pick like how many lines you want, and you type in anything you want it to say, as long as it's not a bad word. It can also be a different language, as long as it's not a bad word. So if you send it in a different language, I will Google translate it to make sure it's not a bad word, because I have morals. But other than that, you can have it say anything you want. Oh, okay. You can have it say anything you want, and you're just going to fill out that form and hit buy or purchase.